bibit. Ako, bibit.
Ay, nako, Tommy.
Kain ako.
Huh?
Hey, big girl.
Ay, mitik.
Hey, big girl. Big girl. Hey, the little girl.
Hi guys, good morning. I wasn't able, today is Saturday, I wasn't able to end the vlog last night. I kinda like, I was talking to Tommy, and yeah, I was talking to him. It was 12 o'clock already, and I fall asleep. And then he FaceTimed me 1 o'clock, and then I fall asleep. I don't even answer it. I just saw the message this morning. So yeah, good morning guys. My mother-in-law is still asleep and still in bed. Okay, let's go out. Come here. Come here, Misty, listen. Come here out. Misty, where is the beep beep? Come here. Misty. I hope the sun will out today, but I don't think so. It's still very gloomy. Oh, I'm going to make pancake. Pancake. That when she get up, there's something for her too.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Look who's hanging out with me. Look who's hanging out with me. You're hanging out with me? What a sexy lady. What a sexy lady. You're whining. Mama will be right back. Mama will be right back. Yeah? Mama will be right back. Oh, you don't like that word, right? You don't like it because you know I'm leaving if I do that. Oh, look, look. She's pissed. You don't like it? You don't like that? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Look at this guy. Oh, she doesn't want me to leave. She doesn't want me to leave. Yes, I will be right back. You don't like it. You want me to just be right. You want me to stay? Do you want me to stay or you want me to be right back? Okay, let's go. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye-bye. You're so smart. You're smarty punch. You're smarty. You're smarty. Don't bite me. How about you, mates? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Yes? I'll be right back. Is that what you want? Bye-bye. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Be right back. Let's go. Let's go. Hi guys, I just been cleaning, vacuuming, cleaning. Look at, he's sleeping right here. Yep. Where is the remote? Okay, I just been cleaning. Anyway guys, my sister-in-law is coming here. Yep. She just called and she said she's coming here. I blocked the stairs because I don't want the impulse to come up here. She did business twice already here and that's it for her. Anyway, so my sister-in-law is coming here guys. And I'm just gonna put jeans and bra on because it's embarrassing. And yeah, so I just been cleaning since this morning. I cook her breakfast. After she eat, I vacuum and that's it. It's just like I'm done vacuuming. And what I'm gonna do next, yeah, that's all. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. We're going to the old house. We're going to the old house and bring her to dialysis. So I'm rushing. Yep. Lagyan ko lang ito ng dry food sila. You done?
Yeah, I called it out, you know.
Huh? It's kind of chilly. But you don't, that's fine.
This is fine, because
Yeah.
I was wondering whether I should take my
No, it's fine.
Weather.
So where is your phone?
It's in, you know, I forgot it. First thing in the morning, I put it in my purse and I forgot all about it.
So it's in the purse?
It's in my purse.
Okay. Okay, we'll be right back. Rock the rock, Mitiko, okay? You said, baby. Oi, you should. Oh, you. I'll be right back. Be right back, baby. Okay? I'm gonna tell Daddy to come up here early. Okay, okay, okay. You're not bringing the medicine to the dialysis, right? You are not bringing the medicine to the dialysis. I'll bring it to the house. The medicine, the top, your medicine.
Oh.
Hi guys, I am here. I'm here in the other house. I'm just taking care of papers. Huh?
Check engine light in the car on.
It's off. Which light? I still have to do laundry. That means this house is so dusty. I will see you later, guys, because I still have to do stuff. Ouch. And I'm gonna stay here to be with my mother-in-law, bring to the other house, and then Tammy will be go to the house early, that the dog won't be lonely, and so surprise them. Surprise, surprise, bug. Where's my pen?
Those pens are no good.
The pen that I just used is right here. Hi, haircut today, Han. We go to CVS and then haircut. But you're not leaving here late, Han. Then don't take shower 3 hours, huh?
Yeah.
Just be like me, Han. Don't shower for 5 days. I don't shower for... Guys, I don't shower for 5 days. No, just kidding. Oh, I'm kidding. Oh. Hi guys, I'm really tired. I mean, what happened last night, guys, was the dog just been making noises too much, like the bark, Roxy dreaming, and then she woke up barking because she heard somebody barking, and she just heard herself barking last night. And then I kept saying, Roxy, night, night, Roxy, night, night, stop it, stop it. And then she go back to sleep, and then she go bark again, dreaming, oh, 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 oh. And then suddenly, because she woke up, and then she do like this, she's so crazy. And then so finally I went back to bed, like, you know, I think 3. And then, you know, it's not like finally back, it's just like back and forth, back and forth. And then I fall asleep, so I get up almost 6 o'clock, like 5:40 something. And I nimbakiwas ko, like I like get up like, oh, what time is it? Oh, thankfully it's not 7 o'clock, because we live supposedly 7. And then we drove here. And then we left the house like 7 something, 7:30 something. It's just crazy quiet, like no dogs whatsoever, nothing. No dogs, nothing. No cats, nothing. Yeah, it's really... But can I just tell you something, guys? Even though this house is not my house, and this house is, you know, we're living this house, I kind of sad. Of course I'm sad, guys. It's been 9 years since I got here. This is really the house that I'm staying in, and I'm gonna miss this house. It's a nice house if you really take care of it and not just make a mess. It's a nice house. Can you imagine we change the carpet, or there's no carpet, you know, something like that, and then change the furniture, and no kalat. Just imagine, guys, no kalat in this house. No mess. Dining room, open up that area over there to open up to the kitchen. You know, this wall over here, open that up to connect to the kitchen, because behind that wall is a kitchen, so you can open that up, and that's it, you know. And then you can open this up also if you want, this one right here, to connect everything, like, you know. And this one you really can't open this, because this is stairs and the boiler over here, boiler and chimney, you know, chimney, like the fireplace. You have money and you buy this house, you can open that, open this, connect everything, and change the pantry, you know, make the pantry, make their own door as a pantry over there. This door over here going to the kitchen, you can close that up, and that's a pantry, you can close it, and here you have a pantry room. And we're planning to go CVS, go to Petco, and make my car. My car need a registration, you know, to register the car. I don't know if it's registration or something. Registration or inspection. Yeah, every year, every May. I have some question over here. Oh, somebody asked me if I'm a citizen. Okay, I'm gonna answer that, guys, now. You know, I can apply citizenship, but I kinda just like don't feel doing it yet. I don't know. A lot of people say do it now, because maybe the law will change. If the law will change, I'm just gonna keep renewing. You know, I'm not illegal. I'm just going to renew. But in the times come, every 10 years I have to renew my green card. That means 2019. Then I have to renew my green card. Extend for another 10 years. I don't know. I probably will in the future, guys. Maybe before this 2019 end. Yeah, so 2 years from now. But yeah, so plus I still have to renew my passport, Philippine passport. It's expired, I think, this year, August. I have to go to Manhattan with that. I don't apply it, guys. I can, but it's long time ago, I supposedly, but I didn't. So yeah, so in the future, you will know. If you keep watching my video, you will know. I will renew my, I will apply citizenship. Anyway, guys, I'm just waiting for Tammy, and I'm just going to relax. I will see you later. Mao nanay. Oh, it's Lubert. My thing is Lubert. Ay, nakurt. I'm Lubert, guys. I'm Lubert. You know that? Tommy's arranging the seat. Right,
I can't get into it without doing that.
Yes, you can.
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights that put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights that put me in a trance, so I feel like I can do it all. It's a good life that I really want. It's those future vibes. I got those future vibes.
guys, we are done for now.
We need inspection.
Yeah, we don't do the inspection because we went to.
It's too crowded.
Yeah, we went to Bronx, and they Tommy usually go there like early in the morning, like very early, the first or the second, third car he get there.
I'm usually there before they open, so I can make sure I'm first.
And this time, because we went there like noon time, so they're very busy. It's already 5:53 in the afternoon, and we are not even
5:53.
Oh no!
What are you talking about?
Whoa, you get mad at me for no reason, Tommy.
I'm wondering what the heck you're talking about. 5:53.
Wow, now it's better to be me alone not seeing you, because it seems like you are just mad at me for just saying something wrong. What?
Well, I wonder where it's coming from.
Oops.
Whatever. You need haircut.
Yeah, well, that didn't happen.
And shave your face. Do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hard to have a husband just like him.
It's
You know.
hard to have somebody who knows what he's doing. Knows his stuff.
He really like go somewhere that I don't even realize this road. Oh, I've been here walking, looking for the place where Remy work. I said, it's again.
Back here?
Yeah, because I never know. I said, oh, okay, you have to go to the thing and you turn, and you know, like the bridge. And then I walk like it. I said, no, this is not right. I go back home, and then I look at the map. That time I don't have a smartphone. I have a really weird phone that there's no GPS. My phone before. And I told Remy, I'm home, Remy. They can't even find you. And she said, why? Where did you went? I said, you have to keep going to the bridge. There's no bridge, Remy. It's just a little bridge for, like, you know, like the stupid things.
Taco.
Ay, nako, Tommy.
Pineapple.
Guys, I just heard the dogs barking in the house. From here to my house, right, hon? What I did, baby?
You link to the camera.
I watched the camera and I talked, and that's stupid me. I said, Roxy. They heard me, of course they barked. Time check, it's already 1:55 in the afternoon, guys. And she's not done yet, and we need to, oh my god. Plus you have to eat, plus, you know, Tommy is
She was already unhooked in Hawaii.
yeah, she's still, you know what. Tommy, we're gonna eat, we're gonna go home. Tommy is gonna drive first to go home. We're still here, guys. Look, Tommy's right there. Hi guys, we're still here, and I'm just trying to put everything, charge my phone because it's low bat also, so yeah, that's what I need. Charge my phone because I don't charge my phone. It's stupid of me, guys. I don't charge my phone the whole time last night. I don't know what's going on with me, guys. And where's my phone? It's right here. I don't like setting my phone, guys. It's going to ruin, guys. Ruin. Why is not charging? I'll get it. I'm gonna tell Tommy. Oh, the car is not on. The car is not on. That's why. I'm so stupid, guys. Anyway, we're waiting for my mother-in-law right now. Tommy is supposedly going already. But itong matanda, guys, agoy nako. Nagsakit akong ulo. So, masakit yung ulo ko sa matanda. May dalawa naman kaming sasakyan. Dadalhin namin. Sabi pa niya, magsabay na lang tayo paglakad. Magsabay na lang tayo pag alis sa bahay. Sabi ko, bakit? Malapit ka nang matapos? Kasi para makaalis na tayo kasi may aso. Gusto ko kasi Tommy want to go first. That, you know, to go first, that he get there early. And he can let the dog out and stuff like that. But no, he want us to go together even though we're separated in the other car. We're separate, we have two different cars. And she want us to go together. And there's something wrong with that. And there's something wrong with that. Tommy have a camera holder, guys. Look. Let's see if it will fit with the. Yeah, I think. Yung cellphone, oh, guys, oh, cellphone holder. Han, look.
Yeah.
It fit.
I know.
No, Tommy, now you're making that up.
The sprays and stuff?
I use it, but it's not even...
I put it back down there, but it's not down there.
No, it's not even working properly.
This is stuff I've been using my whole life. I know it works properly.
Okay, fine. You, sounds just like you.
What's that?
What is that? Oh my god, that's really... That's dangerous. Dangerous, hold on. Oh my god. If you're wearing sandals, you're gonna hurt yourself with this. Tommy just told me, guys, that I sound like somebody. You know who's that somebody, guys? His mother.
I know.
It's not even my mother, guys. It's not. I'm not sound like her, guys. We're gonna be driving separate, guys. I'm driving Tommy's car. He's driving my car because I'm going to drive his mother. Hopefully, she won't throw up. Oh, my car is new wash. Look at it, guys. Look at that new wash. New wash. Tommy's car, it's always nice and looking, but mine, I'm happy that it's new wash. Why this charger is not even working? It's not freaking on. The car is not on. So I said, I've been debating, why is this broken? It's broken. And then I said the car is not on. You're thirsty? Are you thirsty? Go get Dada. Go get him. Go get him. Go get Dada. No pee in here?
Oh, that's my nose.
No pee-pee in here? Huh?
Well, hey, big girl.
Hey, Mitty.
Hey, big girl. Big girl. Hey, the little girl. The little girl. The little monkey girl. And the little Roxy girl. And the big little man.
It's amazing. You guys don't pee?
Go ahead.
You miss my husband, guys. You said you like Tommy. Look, he's here now. Finally, he's here. Okay, so look at, guys, how big it is. Can you imagine? This is good for like actually like 6 people or maybe 7. It's making noises. Look. Ay nako, kasi sobrang bigat. I think it's heavy and oh my god, everything is slides though. Look how there's fats in it. Look, dripping. It's so nice. Guys, I'm gonna go to the basement to get some water. Cold water.
Yeah, cold is good.
I love him, guys. I love him so much, guys. Did he love me? Did he love me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the basement. Yes, look at them.
What was it? It's a small one. Oh, it was Misty.
Huh?
Like, what the hell's the small thing running after? It was Misty.
Hi, hon, what do you think?
I didn't know.
You think Misty is kind of animals that really...
She looks very small.
It's time to call family. But anyway, guys, see, I'm gonna call my family. Hi guys, good evening. It's night time already, guys. I'm gonna go to bed, but before that I'm going to bed, I'm gonna do insert shout out. I have only like very few shout outs. Do a shout out to Terry Salita. Hi Terry Salita, and also she want me to shout out sa anak niya. Happy birthday today, Pamela Salita Samson. Hi Pamela, happy birthday, and hi Terry Salita. So yeah, shout out to Tita Inday from Sister Tis. Hi Tis. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to all of you who's watching right now. You're watching right now. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Silent viewer, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.